Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how we can convert a text image into editable text by using MS Word. Well, as a freelancer, we find projects where we are provided with text images to convert them into editable text so that they can be edited quite conveniently. Well, the images may be of handwritten or pictures taken from your cell phones. Whatever the case may be, you just need an image. Anyhow, for the purpose of example, let's save an image full of text, and I'm using snipping tool to save an image from a random page. Let's say save one more from Excel, which will contain only numbers. And here are the two images I have just saved. Now open your Word file and drag and drop both of the images to save them as PDF file. Either by pressing F12 key or going to the file menu. Well, it will automatically open the file after saving it as PDF. Now, to convert them into editable text, open your Word file and then select Open under File menu. And then open the PDF file we have just saved. It will prompt you a message saying that Word will convert your PDF file into an editable document, which is exactly what we wanted. And it's also letting you know that the conversion may not be exactly the same, especially when there are graphics. Anyhow, click on OK and it will take a while depending on the size of the file to convert it into a Word document. And since there was not much into the PDF file I have just saved, it took barely 2-3 seconds to open it. And it has opened it into a new Word document. And here you can see that it did a good job converting the text image into an editable text. And now we can edit it according to our need. But concerning the Excel table, it is not as expected, but somehow it did make it editable. Anyhow, this is how you can convert a text image into an editable text using MS Word document. And if you have stayed this far, please consider liking and subscribing. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.